Hey you guys! So today's video I'm really excited about. It is really special. It is close to my heart. My friend recently ordered a pair of earrings from me and I decided to record a video and show you behind the scenes, take you with me through the process. For all the creative souls out there, this is going to be an amazing video. Okay, if you can relate. And so there's a little surprise at the end of this video for you. The pair of earrings were made for my friend Chavi and she did an unboxing video. I had no idea she was going to do that, but it was really nice to see the first impression she had when she opened the box. So if you're interested in that, you can wait for I'll be linking it towards the end of this video. You'll see me make it, pack it, and then you'll see her receive it. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's different than what I usually do. And for people who don't know, I have a brand called A Creator Studio. It's on Instagram where I mostly make and sell jewelry. So yeah, thank you. Now let's go.
pride. मैंने सौम्या वाधवानी, who I just can never stop talking about her. She's my friend, also a creator. I ordered these amazing rainbow, क्या बोलेंगे उन्हें? Rainbow earrings from her. She makes them herself, like they're all handmade. सारा उसका effort है अकेले का, सारा ideation to, you know, implementation, outcome, everything is hers. So I ordered rainbow earrings from her and they're finally ready. I received them aaj. She packed them beautifully in this cute sub fabric. I don't know what they look like. What I know is that initially it had like 5 colors, like rainbow ke 5 colors the, but she called me and she asked like, hey, can I add like 7 more? They'll be a little bigger. And I said, absolutely, girl. I mean, like, do whatever. This is my first time actually receiving anything formally from her because हम इतने अच्छे यार हैं कि अरे रख लो. It looks cute. Good job, Soumya. Oh. It says no one is you and that is your power. I can see them. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh shit. That is damn cool. Thank you, Soumya. So Soumya's brand is called a creator's. Oh, why am I doing that? So Soumya's brand is called a creator studio, and oh my goodness! And it says, "Thank you for your purchase. We hope you like it." I do. It should be I hope you like it because she does everything herself. And it has care instructions. It says that it's handmade and you should handle these with care because these are made by hand. Bhai, jadoo hai ye, jadoo. Oh, finally, I'm gonna try them. Oh my goodness. Ooh, mama. Fuck. I love them. Oh shit, dude, they're so damn cute. And I really can't get over the fact that somebody I know itne अच्छे से is so damn talented, is so damn skilled. So good. I love them. मैं नहाई भी नहीं हूँ, मैं फिर भी अच्छी लग रही हूँ भाई. Thank you, Soumya. I love you. Happy Pride. Happy Pride. You can order these too. Just head to Soumya's profile. Check out her stuff. It's on a creator studio and God, this warms my heart too. I think I'm gonna wear them every day. Thank you so much. I love them. And I love you so much. Thank you.